Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you enjoyed the video and you decide to subscribe. And if you're a current subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for your love and encouragement. Okay, it's my first week in my Cat Lady planner next week. So this is the planner. This is my Franken planner. I just wanted to show you which planner these pages came out of. I'm loving it because it's so neutral. Like, completely loving it. So yeah, that was the whole reason why I bought this planner. But I'm gonna get in here. This is gonna be a New Year's theme, and first I'm gonna lay down some washi tape, and I have this black and white stripe with gold dots, and I believe this washi tape came from Walmart. And I have actually pulled stickers from several different sticker books, and now I rearranged things and now I can't find anything. Do y'all have that problem? I love rearranging because it just kind of, I don't know, it kind of refreshes things. And yeah, and then I can't find anything. Come on. Now, I did pre-plan, but I may change some things up. Most of the stickers that I pulled came from Seasonal Book, and I'll show you which one when we get to that part. And I want to use this, but I'm not sure. I think I'm going to use it along the bottom of this side if I have. Oh, I'm not going to have enough. Okay, yep, that one is pretty much done, so I'm not going to use that. So, moving on. Alright. I think I want to do this side first. And see, we have the Happy New Year. And most of these came from this Seasonal Book. And if I come across any that didn't, I'm thinking about, how do I want to do this? Alright, I'm going to put it right here. It's been so long since I have done just a regular vertical layout that I was just kind of like, oh, I don't know where to put stickers. And you know what? I laid that washi down there. I'm just going to put this on top of it. This sticker actually came from, got like 5 sticker books pulled out, quotes. So there's that one. And so did this, I think. I'm pretty sure it did. And I'm just going to kind of put it in the middle right here. And let's see. How do I want to do this? Because I do need to save some room to write. So I want to use this one. This is your year to sparkle. I'm just going to kind of put this stuff around in different places. And then this was New Year's Eve. And I found one of these that matched. So I had to pull a bunch of more sticker books. So I was like, I do need to put some kind of functional stickers down. And then this can go and now I have some sparklies. I'm going to put some here. Put some up here. I have them sticking together. Okay. All right, I think that side worked out. Now let's see if we can get this side to work out. Okay. I think I'm just going to stick with how I was planning to do it. Probably should put this one down first. The Live Simply came from the quotes book. I think I'm going to put this one on this side. So the adventure begins. And all of these box stickers came from the seasonal book. And the sparkly stickers. And then this one actually came from Wild Styled. And this one came from the quotes book, and I'm just going to put it right here. Hello. Okay, now, really, it doesn't need, I don't think it really needs, because I can just write in my to-do list. I had pulled out my punch, but I don't know. See, that's why I don't like this thing, because I don't know how to get it lined up. Okay, I'm just going to do it. And it's crooked. That's okay. That's okay. And then I can do like some little to-dos down here. But I pulled these out. Y'all, this is like old school Happy Planner. And I thought, you know, I should use some of these because I don't ever use them. I bought them years ago. They're like really bright. Okay. Can put a couple right here. That crooked checklist is going to drive me crazy. And then I really want to put like a long list for the week. This is weird for me because I'm moving from a the dashboard layout to this one, and so it's a little bit different because I'm going to be using the dashboard layout for work and social media. Let's flip through here and see if I can find something. These have a lot of the same colors. And I don't think I'm going to need one like that long. So I might put something down here. Let's see. So I'm bringing out the old school stickers this week. those don't match. I could use this one, like right here. I'm going to set it aside because I don't know, I'm not 100% sure. Of course, I could take 2 of these and stack them. Let's see. Well, don't think. Wish I had one that said this week. Okay, I could put an important right here. It's kind of like a top 5. And then I'll do a don't forget down here, and then we'll find something to put in between. Well, I need to get it centered, at least kind of. Okay, now I saw a quote, let's see. I like that, good things take time. That's one of my favorite quotes. Comparison is the thief of joy. Let's see, let's look through this one. Don't quit your daydream is a good one. Take a chance is a good one. You can do anything, but you cannot do everything. No, I can. I'm just kidding. I can't. I never get everything done that's on my weekly to-do list, ever. A year from now, you'll wish you have started today. Okay, that one. That is perfect. Okay, I think that's going to wrap this one up. Actually, we can add a to-do right here. Use up these gold stickers. And they're almost like cardstock. It's like one of the first planner stickers they had. And then I'll move this down and put one on top of it. Well, if I can get it positioned right. Someday we'll get it done, huh? Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh. Okay. That's it. Not bad for my first vertical spread in a very, very long time, like over a year, which the lined vertical in the Glam Girl was kind of like this, but it's different. It's different. Anyway, I think this turned out cute. Let me know what you think down in comments. And I mean, who else is moving into their 2021 planner and super excited about it? I am. Now the mini, I can't move into it. It doesn't start until week after next. So I will keep my skinny mini this week, and I think that's what you guys are going to be seeing tomorrow. I got to get to know these tabs all over again. So skinny mini, and then Saturday we'll do the skinny classic happy planner, and then Sunday I will do my dashboard for next week, which is going to be the redated wrong. So we'll still be doing a dashboard every week, but I love this. I think it turned out cute. It's a little busy, but that's kind of how I like it. I like using my stickers, so yeah. So, and there's still plenty of room to write, so good deal. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments, I love hearing from all of you. Just leave them down below, and I'll get back to you within a day or so. You can also find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Those links are down below, and they're also in my channel description. And also, I will link my 2021 setup videos are on my planner flip through playlist. If you haven't seen them yet and you'd like to see how I have everything set up so far, go ahead and go down into the description, and it will be down there. If you are new to Happy Planner, I have a Happy Planner Basics series that basically breaks it all down, all about Happy Planner. I will also link that playlist down below so you can take a look at it if you'd like to. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. That's all I have for today. I really hope all of you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.